Good evening everyone. Hi, I'm Shango Mitra from Magnolia Times. Hope you have been doing well this week. So today we have come up a very interesting topic to share with you so that you can have a few insights regarding buying a home through home loan. Suppose we all have a wish to buy a home because all the Indians are now have an access to the affordable buying segment of homes. But this next thing that comes up in our mind is how to fund it. Will I be able to manage with my salary? Will I be able to manage with my existing funds? To answer all your queries, the thing that has come up is the easy home loan facility from various banks across the sector and NBFCs. So first we will just check out what are the benefits that we get if we buy a home through a home loan rather than your self-investment. First and foremost is the interest rate that attracts us. Because if you say, আমি একটা বাড়ি কিনতে চাই, আমি একটা personal loan নিয়ে নেব, সেটা নিয়ে আমি পয়সা দিয়ে দেব, that cannot happen. Because তাতে you end up paying 15 to 18% interest rate. However, at the other side, if you take a home loan, the interest rate varies from 6.95 to 7.80. এই রেটে যে ব্যাংক দিচ্ছে, ধরুন যেমন SBI, HDFC, ICICI, we have Kotak Bank coming up with 8.5%. Then Indiabulls who gives with different other benefits, they come up an interest rate of 8.99%. তাহলে আমরা ফার্স্টে যেটা দেখছি, ইন্টারেস্ট রেট যদি আমার কম হয় তাহলে আমার সেই টেনশনটা থাকছে না, আমি সেটা নিতে পারছি. I can afford the home that I dreamt of. Second comes your income tax incentives that we get. If you avail a home loan, please do remember that you can always avail the benefit of paying the interest part and also the principal repayment part. And this together, approximately on a 5 lakh of rupees, you can avail the benefit from your total income. So that's a huge benefit for the working class people who are availing home loans. Thirdly, you have a capital appreciation wherein your property is having a hike in the price on a yearly basis, but you have bought it at fixed rate, so you're enjoying a capital appreciation even if it is your investment purpose, even if you're not end user for that home that you have bought it for an investment purpose. It always gives you a good return because property is such a thing which always have an appreciating value. It never depreciates. Then comes the monthly EMIs that you will be paying towards your home loan is quite pocket adjustable. You can always go for a prepayment period, or you can start after you have taken the possession. So whichever options your banks are offering, you can take that. And the benefit here is most if you compare with the rental. Whether my EMI is higher or my rent is higher. If you do a comparison here, your rental payout would be much higher than the inflation which is currently going on, because every year you would be having your landlord raising your rent with a certain percentage, so that will always be higher than the inflation. On the other hand, if you have a home loan, then you are paying that same EMI and you're owning that place, you're becoming a master of that place, and at a very reasonable rate, which does not happen with rent. And next we come the long payment tenure. You can avail payment tenures between 10 to 40 years, which offered by various banks across the sector, so that you can fit in the EMI according to your pocket. And finally, we can the thing is, there is no prepayment charges for any home loan that you pay, which helps you. Suppose if you have taken a loan of around for 17 years and you wish to pay by at the end of 10th year, just go ahead and pay. There is no prepayment charges. And secondly, now we will come up that how affordable segment are being benefited by the PMAY scheme. PMAY scheme is the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, which is a credit linked subsidy introduced by the central government, and it has got 3 different categories. That's the EWS, MIG1 and the MIG2. It depends on your total family income annually and the certain portion of loan that you have taken. that according to that you get a subsidy which varies between 3 to 6.5%. And under this subsidy, women ownership has been promoted very highly by the government. So today most of the women enjoy the leverage of owning a house in their own name. So which is really a wonderful news for the women world, that you can become a master of your home, you can buy in your own name and still get the benefits. That's all for today. So next week we will come up with some more interesting facts for you and will share with you. Till then, stay tuned to our channel Magnolia Times and keep watching. Stay safe.